Now, here's meteorologist Michelle Muscatello with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Our floor manager, Justin, just suggested the logo beer. It does a body good. So
yeah. How about snow? Well, plenty of that.
Yeah, you know, it does a body good if you're doing it on, if you're using it on a ski slope, but on the roadways, not so much.
No, and in fact, I expect it to be really tricky for tomorrow, and not just in the afternoon. Things are going to go downhill by morning. Live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar over Rhode Island and southeastern Massachusetts. Dry right now. In fact, a beautiful day underway. Weather alert is for that winter storm watch that's in effect for tomorrow morning right through late tomorrow night. The potential and likelihood now of heavy snow and strong winds. In fact, later this afternoon, I anticipate that watch is going to be upgraded to a warning, which just means it is on its way. No longer the potential, but the likelihood of it. So again, we're looking at near blizzard conditions for tomorrow. Poor travel from late morning on, and some heavy snowfall accumulations. You wouldn't know it from looking outside today. No sign of the impending clouds or the snow. Just a beautiful day, 36 degrees. That's right on average for this time of year, and I expect temperatures will stay in the mid and even some upper 30s for this afternoon. Robert in Fall River says bright and brisk. Kelly in Westport says she is on snow watch at 31 degrees. Here's satellite and radar. High pressure keeping us dry. The snow, the clouds still off to our west. The clouds are going to start to roll in tonight, but the snow isn't slated to arrive until, say, near dawn and beyond tomorrow morning. Low pressure number 1 sitting up across the southern Great Lakes. Low pressure number 2 in the deep south. The two will combine to form one sizable storm off the coastline that's going to rapidly intensify once it hits the water tomorrow into a really powerful nor'easter. For us, it's not only going to give us some heavy snow, but also some very strong winds. Futurecast, we're going to just breeze right through today. It's very quiet. We'll stop it at 5 o'clock this evening. Folks heading home from work, no weather-related problems. If you want to go out, run some errands, head to the grocery store, no problems for that either. Just turning mostly cloudy for tomorrow morning, and then this is 5 o'clock in the morning. We may initially start out dry at 5, but very quickly through the morning the snow moves in, and it'll turn heavy as we head into the late morning and afternoon. Still looking at the potential for some mixing, this pink area for the Cape, maybe along the immediate south coast. So this afternoon, a dry day, mostly sunny, comfortable, 34 to 39. Fine for the evening commute. Temperatures tonight drop into the mid-20s under mostly cloudy skies. Wednesday morning, things will start to go downhill by late morning, and it'll be very difficult traveling in the afternoon and evening. Wind-driven snows, poor visibility. This is going to be very heavy, wet snow. So the timeline for what to expect, again, arriving between 6 and 9 in the morning. Heaviest from late morning right through the day. It starts to wind down after midnight. Snow may mix with sleet and rain at the coastline. I'm looking at the potential for gusts over 40 miles per hour. And again, a very heavy wet snow. So as far as the impacts go, significant travel impacts. In fact, if you don't have to travel beyond, say, 9 o'clock tomorrow morning, better just to stay inside. Near whiteout conditions are possible in the afternoon. Possible power outages from this storm because of the heavy and wet nature of the snow, as well as the strong winds, and it's going to still probably be difficult traveling even Thursday morning as the cleanup continues. The snow should be over with Thursday morning, but untreated surfaces will become will still be snow covered and slippery. So these accumulations, I'm looking at widespread now, 8 to 12 inches of snow with possibly some higher amounts. Some of our computer models are hinting at potential now for maybe a 1.5 feet of snow. Still looking at the potential for some mixing along the coastline, which may limit the totals there, but definitely check back in for updates on what will be a major headache for anybody that has to be out and about in this, and dangerous to be out and about in it for tomorrow. Your updated Futurecast 24 hours a day on the Pinpoint Weather Station, Cox Digital Cable Channel 125. And of course, Tony's going to be back in tonight at 5, and he'll have an update too.
You guys will be watching it hour by hour.
We will. We'll be here all night and all day tomorrow.
Thanks, Michelle.